Today for my daily sketch, I am going to show you how to draw an easy truck. So the first thing we want to do is divide the page into 4 sections like this, and then we want to make a rectangle. Looking at the edge of the page, you're going to keep this line straight and always draw very softly, because that's going to help us to be able to erase later. And I'm going to make this line like so, and then I'm going to come to this side, keep the line very straight. As I'm making this line, I'm looking at the edge of the page down here. Okay, then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to make a square. So I have a rectangle, then I have a square, and then I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to curve this. Keep an eye on this edge, keep it straight, and then connect this. This is the first part of my truck. Then I'm going to take this part right here and I'm going to go up just a little bit, and I'm going to do a repeater of these but up here. So watch, it's going to be like another square, almost right here, a little bit shy of a square, and I'm going to go over here and connect this part. Alright, then I'm going to make 2 circles, and to make the circles for my tires, I'm going to make a mark to help me see how far do I want to go on the bottom and on the top. And then I'm going to be like right around here is where I want to do my first circle. And then over here, a little bit closer, let's say about here, I'm going to make my next wheel. Just try to keep it as close to this one as possible. That's why I have the mark, to keep them pretty close to the same size. Okay. All right, that's good for now. And I'm gonna keep working and looking. Okay, once I have this much, I'm gonna go ahead and make another wheel, like another circle inside my wheel. Keep it very soft, keep the distance about the same, and these are just feathery strokes for now. Very, very soft also, making sure that these are kind of even. This is good for now, just to give me a rough idea. Then I'm going to make the window, and I'm just going to echo or follow this same shape and come back down here and over here, and that's my window on my truck. Then down here, I'm going to make this a handle right there. And right here, I'm going to make this mark and this mark. Then I'm going to make some lights. So there's one. And then this is like the bumper. To this side, I'm going to make another bumper in the back. Very good. I'm going to make the road where my truck is. Now that this is good, I can clean my guidelines just a little bit and take a look and see if I like it. I like my truck. And if I do like it, then I'm going to use my permanent marker, and then I'm going to outline everything and color.